welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing on this hair I just ordered from West Kiss. This is my first time ordering from this website, you guys. I ordered it on the 12th and it got here on the 24th, exactly 12 days later. It came FedEx. FedEx to me is slow, but it got here. Okay, it got here. So let's go ahead and open it up really quick, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. Okay, the bag is beautiful. So on the bag it has West Kiss, and it has love your hair, kiss your beauty. Love your hair, kiss your beauty. Isn't it cute? So that's it. I think I got this in 16 inches. I don't remember. And that is the hair. Yes, it's curly hair. I love curly hair. It's my favorite. Yes, this is 5x5 lace closure wig, and it's 16 inches long, you guys. And as you can see, it is like a burgundy / 99J color. I thought it was gonna be brighter, but we're gonna see when we take it out the bag. Let's see if there's anything else in here. There's quite a few things. Okay, so we have a band here and 2 stocking caps. Once again, you guys, this is West Kiss hair, 5x5 lace closure wig, and it's like a 99J color, and it's also 16 inches long. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. Oh, it's so pretty. So let's go ahead and take this off. It's more burgundy. 99J, you guys. Thought it was gonna be more red, but no, I don't even think that'll look right on me if it was more red. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. And let's look at the lace. It already has like this middle part here. And it doesn't have a bad smell. Yeah, it smells like Listerine, like mouthwash. That's what it smells like, but I don't think that's a bad smell. It smells like Listerine. It's pretty. This is a 16 inches, you guys. So far it feels really nice. The Listerine smell is getting kind of strong, so I'm probably gonna have to wash it. So let's see. And actually it's basically your normal cap construction. It's 2 combs right here, one right here, one right here, and then there's one in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps right here, which I do not use. But you guys, yeah, here's the lace. It says 5x5 lace closure. Let's look here. The hair is really soft, you guys. It doesn't feel like synthetic hair or anything like that. Sometimes when I buy colored wigs from these places, the colored wigs feel like synthetic hair to me, but this doesn't. I'm not really raking through it too much yet, but I don't have any shedding. The one time I bought a red hair and it was like shedding everywhere. But I'm just gonna try this on for you guys really quick. With the lace still attached, I will have another video with the final product. I'm just going to show you this really quick. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know to upload my next YouTube video. Guys, as you can see, I have the wig on. Like I said, this is 16 inches. I'm loving the color on me. I can't pull off the middle part, so I say that in every video I be wanting to, but it doesn't agree with me in my forehead. Like seriously, it does not. So I'm gonna end up like right now I'm gonna shift it, but I'm gonna actually part it later. So you guys, I'm probably gonna do a side part. I really like the hair. This is the hairline. And you can't really see the tracks either, which is good. So let me try and turn around for you guys. So this is gonna be the side. The hair is so soft. It's really soft. Here's the back. Here's the side again, the other side. And we're back to the front. So yeah, like I was saying, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. I always get tongue-tied when I say that, but yeah, subscribe, okay? Don't let me say it again. But I'll see you guys with the finished product in my next YouTube video, so I can give you like an actual complete real review of the hair. So I'm out, you guys. Bye.